Dear learners, how are you all? I am M.A. Rashid, Assistant Professor of English, Alhaz Bashir Rahman Degree College, Ganna Bazar, Zinaida. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn how to write paragraphs. That means writing is our topic. First of all, we will know what writing is. Writing. Actually, writing is an art. Writing is an art. Writing is also a skill, and one needs a number of skills or qualities to be a writer or to perform as a writer. Okay, so in order to write, one must prepare himself. One must prepare oneself to write anything, and in the preparation of writing, one has to collect information. Information on the matter or on the topic of the writing. That means if one wants to write on the moon or anything else, one has to collect information first of all. This is the part of preparation. Next, one needs skills of grammar. That means one must have the quality or skill of writing sentences correctly. If one cannot write correct sentences, one cannot imagine to be a writer or a performer as a writer. So one must have grammatical rules, or one must know grammatical rules of writing sentences. Again, we need some sub-skills. Sub-skills means the skills which support or coordinate the main skill of writing. And what are the sub-skills? Sub-skills means knowing correct spelling. If one writes and the words are misspelled, his or her writing must not be effective. Okay. Again, another sub-skill is punctuation. That means in writing we have to use correct punctuations. These are the sub-skills. Again, we have to know vocabulary. That means the store of words must be rich if we want to be a writer or if we want to write. I think you have understood these points. When we are enriched with these skills or sub-skills, we can get preparation for writing any matter, paragraph, letter, composition, reports, etc. Okay. Now, I would like to teach you or show you or help you what? How to write paragraphs. Writing paragraphs. Writing paragraphs. Paragraphs. Writing paragraph. Okay. First of all, we have to know what a paragraph is. What a paragraph is. Actually, a paragraph is a collection or cluster of sentences. A collection of sentences. A collection of sentences on a specific topic and written in one para. That means paragraph is a collection of sentences, and these sentences are selected on a specific or one topic only, okay? And this writing must be in a para. That means when we try to write a paragraph, we have to arrange the sentences in a para. Okay? And there is an important point of paragraph writing, and that is a paragraph must be written in one para. Again, a paragraph has no limitation of length, okay? A paragraph has no limitation of length. A paragraph should be written so far, so long as it needs to be written, okay? That means we have to write a paragraph according to the demand of the topic. According to the demand of the topic. This is writing, this is a system of paragraph writing. Okay. Again, we have to learn some other things related to paragraphs. Okay. And what are the things? Elements of paragraph. Elements of paragraph. You know, elements are also known as components. Components, that means one thing is made of another thing. Okay, one thing is made of another thing. That means rice is made of paddy. In the same way, chair, benches or furniture are made of what? Made of wood. That means wood is the element, and chair, bench or furniture is the matter, is the thing. That, and we are trying to write paragraph, and we have to use some things, and those things are the elements of paragraph. Okay. And what are the things? Number one, topic sentence. Topic sentence, also known as TS. Topic sentence. you know that a paragraph must have a topic or title, and depending on the title we have to write a topic sentence. A topic sentence. The topic sentence usually introduces the topic. Usually introduces the topic. For example, we are writing a paragraph on our country. Our country, topic. What may be the topic sentence? Our country is very nice. This may be the topic of the paragraph. We cannot say that one paragraph must have this type of topic. I have written this topic sentence. Okay. Other people may choose other topic sentences. Okay. And a topic sentence is what? A topic sentence is a sentence which can be explained. You understood? A topic sentence is a sentence which can be explained. The sentence which can be explained, which we can explain. Okay. Our country is very nice. Here, notice this word, nice. In this sentence, the word nice is an adjective. And if we explain this adjective, our paragraph will be complete. We will answer why is Bangladesh or our country nice. When we will describe the beauty of Bangladesh, this paragraph will be complete. Okay. Topic sentence, and the second element of a paragraph is developer. Okay, or development. Development is also known as supporting sentences. Supporting sentences. That means in the topic sentence we have expressed an idea, and that idea should be established in the development area of a paragraph. Okay, this is also known as the body of a paragraph. You understood? And in a paragraph, the topic sentence is supported by the supporting sentences. That means the supporting sentences prove the idea given in the first or topic sentence. Okay. In a paragraph, there may be 2, 3, 4, 5 or any number of development sentences or supporting sentences. Okay, and the third element of a paragraph is terminator. And terminator is also known as conclusion. Common word, conclusion. Terminator is also known as conclusion. conclusion or terminator actually means a logical closing or ending of a paragraph. When we are giving a speech, or when we are writing a paragraph or a speech should not be end abruptly. That means suddenly. We should not stop writing suddenly. We should conclude the sentence or conclude the paragraph in a way that should be convenient, or that should be that should be a good closing. Okay. For example, at first we have written, our country is very nice. Topic sentence. Developing sentences are like these sentences. In Bangladesh, there are a number of sources of natural beauty. Okay, and we have explained the natural beauty, and at last we say that is why our country is nice. Actually, the expression of the topic sentence is repeated in the terminator. Okay, in the terminator we actually end the process of what? Describing or developing the system of the paragraph. Okay, and the fourth item is what is linking words. Linking words are the linkers of the sentences. They come between two sentences, usually two ideas. Okay, to link two ideas. And the example of a linking word may be, for example is a linking word. It links two ideas. Okay, in short, we can sketch a diagram on paragraph writing, and I will do it for you. Topic. Topic sentence. Then development, and at last terminator. And linking words which should be inserted in the development ideas. Okay, Okay, dear students, this is all about the preparation of writing paragraph, and we shall discuss the types of paragraph or how to develop paragraphs in the next class. Okay, thank you all.